Yes, he is Pandit Birju Maharaj. Any guesses what are we going to talk about today? Yes, we are going to talk about the dance forms of UP. Okay, there are basically two variations of dance forms in every state. One is classical and one is folk. So we are going to explore the difference between the two dance forms and what are the basic movements for both. Okay, so now let us begin with the classical dance form first.
Good morning, children. Welcome back.
Good morning.
So children, we are going to talk about Kathak dance form, which is one of the 8 major dance form of Indian classical dance. Kathak is the word derived from Vedic Sanskrit, which means Katha. Katha is also known as a story. The person who tells the story is known as a Kathakar. So Kathak dance form is about the Kathakars performing through dance, music and song. They are specially telling the stories of mythological and ancient epics. Now, we are going to talk about one of the famous the Kathak dancer of our state.
So children, here is an image picture of a famous Kathak dancer. Can you recognize? Yes. Pandit Brij Mohan Mishra, popularly known as Pandit Birju Maharaj. Yes, is a renowned Kathak dancer is an exponent of Handya, Allahabad Kalka, of Bindabin Gharana of Kathak in India. He is a descendant of Maharaj Kathak family, which includes his 2 uncles, Shambhu Maharaj, Lachu Maharaj, and his father and Guru Achan Maharaj. He was born on 4th of February 1938 in Lucknow. For his fabulous performance and the dedication for his Kathak, he has been awarded with Padma Vibhushan, Sahitya Natak Academy Award, and even Filmfare Award for the Best Choreography. So children, here's the short information about Pandit Birju Maharaj. Now, would you like to see the dance performance of Kathak? So here are music dance teacher to show you the performance of Kathak. You need to notice the expressions, okay? It's all carried with nazakat, nafasat. So let's watch.
Namaskar. When we talk about Kathak, it is very speciality of thought, nazakat, nasakat, means manmoha hata. Let's see.
Kathak moves presented by Archana ma'am. Ma'am, did you notice how nicely she was, her facial expressions were
All the
shown?
kataksh and so many expressions she was giving, that
Yes.
was wonderful. From classical, now we can move on to folk dance of
dance.
Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the meaning of folk dance?
Yes, ma'am. Folk dance is a dance which reflects the life of the people of different country or region.
Oh yes, Pooja ma'am, our country India, it is the land of diverse culture, language, religion and festivals.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So, but ma'am, we are
Yes.
here discussing about the dance forms of Uttar
Uttar
Pradesh.
Pradesh. Okay, very nice. So now we will discuss about the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, ma'am. So now, can you throw some light on the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, in Uttar Pradesh, the folk dance is like performed by different types of languages. Like it is performed with
Yes.
Kajri, Bhojpuri,
Awadhi.
Awadhi. And do you know, Pooja ma'am, the Kajri dance, Kajri folk dance of Banaras, it is very famous.
Yes, ma'am.
Kajri of Mirzapur also. It is also well known and it's very famous. And now we will just show you the dance steps performed by Lata ma'am. Your Lata ma'am, and she will perform the dance.
So before that, let's know that all the dances which are ritual or ethnic or generally the dances done for worship, sometimes prayer dance, they are not the folk dances. But in Uttar Pradesh, all the folk dances are inspired by a certain language and also by certain occasions, ceremonies and celebration. In Uttar Pradesh, generally, for every occasion, we have a dance and it is considered to be the folk dance.
Like if a baby is born in a family, so a different type of folk dance is performed to express their happiness. Okay?
Yes.
So now,
generally folk dance is to express the happiness people have.
Yes.
So let's see a folk dance of
performed
Uttar.
by Lata ma'am, and she will present she will tell you more about it when the farmers do the farming and the harvest festival is going on. So the folk dance which is performed, that she'll perform just now. Okay.
सुप्रभात बच्चों, जैसा कि हम लोग का टॉपिक चल रहा है क्या, फोक डांसेस ना। तो डांस में जैसा मैम ने आपको बताया कि किस तरह से हमारे ये डांस है, फोक डांस है, वो एक पारंपरिक डांस है। इसे कोई एक आध व्यक्ति द्वारा नहीं बनाया जाता और इसे रचा भी नहीं जाता है। ये परंपराओं से चलता चला आ रहा है। 19वीं शताब्दी से पहले से ये डांस फॉर्म चली आ रही है। हर प्रजाति के लोग अपनी अपनी खुशियां मनाने के लिए, एंजॉय करने के लिए अपने डांस को करते हैं, लोक नृत्य करते हैं और एंजॉय करते हैं। अभी जो मैं डांस फॉर्म करने जा रही हूँ वो उत्तर प्रदेश का है पूर्वी डांस फॉर्म है, जिसमें किसान लोग जो हैं अपना किसानी करते समय गाना गाते हैं, गुनगुनाते हैं और खूब एंजॉय करते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं डांस।
Hare Hare
कैसन लाग? नीक लाग?
बहुत ही बढ़िया लग. Children, did you understand what did we talk about just now? Gunjan ma'am, can you translate your own words in Hindi once
Oh, yes.
in English once again?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just trying to ask you how was the performance of the teachers?
And I replied, I liked it a lot. So this is the fun of the local or the regional language or the folk language. And the same happiness you must have observed while performance of the folk dance.
I like the expressions, the teachers.
course.
Yeah, the expressions on their faces were marvelous.
Both.
It was
Both the
depicting
dance
the
forms. Isn't it, friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, children, just now we observed the two dance forms, classical and folk of Uttar Pradesh. On one hand, classical dance form has its own rules, own words, own terminology. Whereas,
beauty even.
and the beauty and the dress up.
Right.
Isn't it? And on the other hand, the folk dance form is just the regional language, the regional dance movements. There is no fixed rules, and it is just to express their happiness
Happiness
and
and love.
their love for their own belonging regions. So children, with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you like both the dance forms, and please explore more about them. It's a treasure of knowledge. The deeper you go, the more knowledge you get. So keep exploring. Till then, bye bye.